CMCBits Analyst reveals all. These 5 stocks are going to soar in 2022. The stock market has been through a lot in 2020. However, things are looking up for 2022 and beyond. Some analysts believe that we could see some big gains in the next few years. One analyst who is particularly bullish on the prospects for the stock market is CMCBits broker Sylvia Stahl. She has identified 5 stocks that she believes will soar in 2022. Without further ado, here are the 5 stocks that CMCBits Analyst believes will see the biggest gains in 2022. 1. Amazon. 2. Google. 3. Microsoft. 4. Facebook. 5. Apple. Amazon. In recent years, the e-commerce and cloud computing giant has been on a tear, and there's no reason to think that will change in 2022. Amazon is expected to benefit from the continued growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. The company is also expected to benefit from the increasing trend of consumers shopping online for groceries. Amazon is also expected to invest heavily in new businesses, such as its drone delivery service Amazon Prime Air. Why should you invest in Amazon? There are several reasons to invest in Amazon. The company is expected to continue to benefit from e-commerce and the move to cloud computing. Amazon is also a leader in the online grocery market and is expected to invest heavily in new businesses. Finally, Amazon has a strong track record of innovation and customer. Google. The search engine giant is also expected to continue to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. In addition, Google is expected to benefit from the continued growth of advertising spending. Google is a well-known technology company that has been in business for over 20 years. The company has a history of strong financial performance, and its share price has increased significantly over the past decade. Why is Google a good option for you to invest in? There are several reasons why Google is a good option to invest in. First, the company has a long history of strong financial performance. In addition, its share price has increased significantly over the past decade. Finally, Google benefits from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. As a result, the company is well positioned to continue to grow in the years ahead. If you are interested in investing in Google, several different options are available to you. You can purchase shares of the company directly on the stock market or invest in a fund that focuses on Google. Whichever option you choose, we believe that Google is a great investment opportunity and will likely provide strong returns in the years ahead. Microsoft. The software giant is also expected to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. In addition, Microsoft is expected to benefit from the continued growth of the enterprise software market. Microsoft's cloud computing platform, Azure, is expected to grow rapidly. The company is also expected to benefit from the growth of Office 365 and other productivity-related services. Microsoft is also expected to benefit from the growth of gaming, as its Xbox One console is expected to be a major driver of growth. In addition, Microsoft is expected to benefit from the growth of the Internet of Things. The company's Azure IoT platform is expected to play a major role in the development of the IoT market. Microsoft is also expected to benefit from artificial intelligence and machine learning growth. The company's AI platform, Cortana, is expected to be a major driver of growth. Facebook. The social media giant is also expected to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. In addition, Facebook is expected to benefit from the continued growth of advertising spending. Facebook is good for investment because it has a user base that is rapidly growing, it is profitable, and it has a strong competitive position. Investors should keep an eye on Facebook because it is a company with a lot of potential for growth. The company is expected to benefit from the continued growth of the online advertising market and the shift to cloud computing. In addition, Facebook is a company with a strong competitive position and a large user base. Apple. The iPhone maker is also expected to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. In addition, Apple is expected to benefit from the continued growth of the smartphone market. Why is Apple good for investment? 1. Apple is expected to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. 2. In addition, Apple is expected to benefit from the continued growth of the smartphone market. 3. Apple has a strong brand and loyal customer base. 4. Apple is a cash-rich company with a strong balance sheet. 5. Apple has a history of strong financial performance. Conclusion. The 5 stocks listed above are all expected to benefit from the growth of e-commerce and the shift to cloud computing. So, if you're looking for some stocks to buy in 2022, these are 5 of the best options.